Coaches! Welcome to You Have Been Coach. I am Coach tjpia and today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-propagate or magparami ng basil. Alright, so this is our featured herbs for today. And so ito po yung basil and as you can see, medyo mataas na siya. Alright, so what we do, we use pruning shears. Ayan, so gagawin lang natin, ikakat lang natin siya. Okay, very simple. Ika-cut lang natin siya. So, paano magpa-propagate or magparami ng basil? You just cut it. Ito. Just cut it like that. There are actually two ways of propagating basil. So, one form would be, cutting. Ayan. So, ito yon, ika-cut natin yung stems niya. Just make sure, that when you cut it, you have a node. Ayan, yung pinagdudugtungan ng dahon. You have one. Tapos, dahil meron na akong mga sprout na dalawa, so, from here, at saka here, pwedeng magkaroon ng roots. So, okay na yung ganitong cutting. However, kung from the top siya, kailangan at least may one node ka. Alright? Ayan. Tapos yung pinakaibabaw. Paano yung second form? Another form of how to propagate basil would be seeds. Ayan. So, ito naman yon. So, paano naman kapag seeds, you wait for the plant to actually grow and then, pag masyadong mainit, magbo-bolt siya. Ano yung magbo-bolt? Magkakaroon siya ng flowers. So, pag nagka-flowers siya, ipopollinate yun ng mga pollinators. We have bees, we have butterflies, and other insects to actually pollinate the plant. And then from there, dadami na siya. Okay? So, magkakaroon siya ng flowers, pagka nag-bolt siya, and then yun yung gagamitin mo to, para padamihin yung halaman mo. So, what I'm doing now is pruning. Ayan, so, pinuprune ko lang yung basil kasi we'll be using the leaves for spaghetti later. And so, that's why I am actually pruning this. For now, we just need enough basil. So, ito lang muna yung ipuprune ko. I will leave this and the other ones for later since malapit na mag-holidays. So, I'm keeping some para gamitin naman natin for spaghetti for the holidays. Ito, padadamihin naman natin. Alright, so let me show you how to extract these leaves. Ayan, so these leaves. Alright, so let me show you how we prepare itong mga basil cuttings para naman itanim. So, first, alisin na natin yung mga leaves. And so, these are good for cooking na. Okay, so yung malalaki, you just remove them and then they're ready for cooking. Okay, so we leave something like this. So alisin natin to yung malalaki. So gagamitin na natin. Usually, what I leave is just the smallest leaves. Ito. Just the smallest ones. The rest I remove. Bakit? Ayan. Ganyan lang yung natitira. Okay? Bakit? Kasi, kapag mas malalaki yung leaves, there is a bigger chance for the plant to respire. Okay? Kasi di ba humihinga yung halaman, they're alive. What happens is, yung water, yung moisture that they have in them, umaalpas siya through the leaves. Kasi undergo pa rin ng photosynthesis yung halaman, so lalabas yung water. That's also the reason why it's colder under a tree. Diba? Kasi they respire, so yung water droplets, yung moisture is actually around the tree. So we have it like so. Just like that. Alright. And so this is one this is gonna grow to one plant. This is another. This is another. This would be another one. Ito, however, ikakat ko siya into how many more? Medyo odd pala yung pagkakaputol ko. Pero pwede naman. So this will be 2 more. So how do we cut it? We cut it near the node. Okay, yung pinagdudugtungan kung saan may tumutubo. And then this one, sige, pwede rin din. So, pwede naman dito since this is a sprout. Okay, so this will be another one. Okay, so now we have basil leaves for cooking. We have basil seeds that I actually extracted these seeds from my mother plant dun sa dati naming house. So, yun din yung ginamit ni Mrs. to actually start planting. And then yan, sinubukan namin paramihin. Pero because of the storm yan, bawasan siya. So ngayon, magpapadami tayo kasi some friends are actually looking for basil already. And this is our seedling propagates. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ito yung ipopropagate natin. Now, may prepare ako yesterday na bed. Okay, na plot for the seedlings. Ayan. So, doon natin siya i-grow. Alright? So, this is the seedling bed that we prepared. Ayan. So, ito ay rice straw. Why do I have rice straw here? Because rice straw actually keeps moisture into the soil. So, siya yung pang-cover ko muna for now. Right. So, what do we do? We punch the soil. Okay. Para magkaroon ng butas. We put that. And there you have it, coaches. Ayan, so this is how we propagate. This is one way, okay, of propagating basil. Ayan, so through cuttings, pwede natin siyang paramihin. So when your when your herbs are actually growing bigger na, siguro 1 foot or meron na siya 5 to 6 nodes, okay, yung pinagdadahunan, cut nyo na sila. Okay, it's better to trim, okay, your basil para mas marami siyang leaves in the future kasi magba-branch out siya. Okay, so that is the best way of how you can propagate your basil. But if you cannot find any basil plants, okay, you can start with seeds. Okay, madali lang siya, ilalagay nyo lang siya sa soil and then mag-sprout na siya. But you need to be cautious kasi very prone siya na kainin ng insects. Okay, so later on, ipapakita naman natin kung paano mag-start with seeds. Okay, for now, cuttings. Next time, seeds. Okay, so again, I am tjpia and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, again, I am Coach, okay, tjpia, and I'll see you again in our next videos, and you have been coached. Thank you, bye!